So we flipped the unit over. Just wanted you guys to see the construction on the front. The hairline's a little thick to me, so I'm gonna do some work on the hairline to get it to look a little more natural, but I wanted to bleach the hair first. So this is the unit. Nice curls even down to the ends. So we're hoping that after we lift the hair, one thing we're gonna do is gonna see how long it takes to lift, but I'm hoping that we can retain the curl pattern. That's the key. I wanna ensure that when you guys are purchasing a unit, even after manipulating it, you still have the curl pattern that you desired. So we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna mix up some bleach and get to it, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys in the stages and see how we're doing, and we'll time it so that we can know how realistic and how long it's gonna take you to actually lift your units. So we're coming back at you from Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Hair Company. We're building our brand now, so we're testing. This is from Factory A. See you guys soon. Hey YouTube, just wanted to mix the bleach in front of you guys. I'm just using good old-fashioned BW number 2. I know a lot of people talk about using like the blue bleachers, but I have a bunch of this, so I just want to kind of use it up and not waste it. Using 40 Developer. I want to get a nice thick consistency so I don't have bleach falling all over the place. And I feel like the thicker it is, it'll kind of hold on the hair better, and I can really get some nice consistency with the bleach. As you can see, that's kind of dry, so I guess I need to add a little more developer. Okay. All right. Well, that's it, you guys, for now. Just showing you how to mix what I'm doing with the bleach, but I'm going to stop the video right now and get this all mixed up, and then I am going to start applying, and I'll show you some of the application. See you in a few minutes. Hey YouTube, okay, I got the mixture ready. I don't know how you ladies do this, bleaching all day. It's so strong to me, but I have a mask on because we're in the lab. We're testing product, testing bleach too. Gonna see what gives you the best lift, the best color, best timing, because I know that sometimes you want to get that unit ready for Saturday night. And you don't have all day for this, so for you beginners out there, I just mixed the BW2 with 40 volume developer, and I'm in the testing phase. So yes, I'm wearing a mask because to me the bleach was very strong. So I am a nurse by trade. I used to be a licensed cosmetologist, kind of shifted careers, but I'm still dealing with people. And now I want to be a blessing to you guys and provide good quality hair, and that's why I'm testing this hair for you. So YouTube, I will be back. I'm going to start applying. See you soon. So what I want to do is I want the front to be a little more highlighted, more blonde than the rest of the unit. So I'm starting from the top of the head, and we're going to get to it, y'all. Yes. All right. I always like an ombre look, since these are units that I'm going to be wearing. I'm testing them now, so nothing's really for sale at this time. So we're going to go at it. Start at the top. Feather it a little bit to give that more natural look. And bring it on down. I know that you guys out there, you know how to bleach hair. I've learned so much from watching you guys on YouTube. Shout out to the Tastemaker, to Miss Precious Marie, Faithful Asia. Y'all are on it on a regular, and you have inspired me and motivated me so much to just want to say, I just want to give people quality hair. I've experienced hair that people brag about, and you buy it, and it's, for lack of better words, it's a shit show. The hair is dry, doesn't retain its moisture, doesn't retain its curl. It's nothing that they say it is. So I'm just ensuring that you guys are getting what we're promising. So putting the application on now. I don't think that's enough bleach there, guys. So I am going to apply some more. Put it on thick. I think I made my mixture just a little too thin because I feel like I'll be dropping it all over the floor. It's drippy. I may add some more powder to it. Let me just see how this is gonna work out for now. All right. Okay, well. I used to have a stylist YouTube and she would do all of these things for me, but she moved to Dallas, so I got to figure it out, y'all. So there it is. So we're gonna pause for a minute because I don't want to bore you guys with the whole process of this as we're testing product. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the bleach to the rest of the head, take a picture of that to show you guys the finished product, and we'll go from there. Talk to you soon. I don't have my gloves on, guys. My hands were wet. It was hard to get them on. I was trying to get some more bleach on there fast. That's the color I like right there. Trying to get it off to lighten up, but it might be highlights and lowlights in here. That's the thing when you're doing our virgin hair. You have to double dose, you know, you have more than one donor, so the hair may live differently in different places. I gotta leave it for 10 more minutes. I mean, it's probably about an hour total processing time. Application time was maybe about 30 minutes. So I was getting kind of nervous thinking I was doing it too light, but as you can see, it didn't come out that light, but it has multiple dimensions of highlights and lowlights in there. So I think it's pretty. I think we did pretty good with this one. So we'll see. I'll start wearing this unit this week and kind of see how it does with the shedding and how it maintains the curl. I didn't really put any curl activator, any mousse or anything on here yet, so just have a little bio silk on it to give it some sheen. So we'll see once I wet it again and wear it, and I'll take pics of that for you guys, so we'll see how it looks. But thanks for now. We'll get ready to work on another unit. So see you soon.